Welcome to our tutorial on the powerful Excel SUMIFS function. This is your guide to multi-criteria summation. We'll dive into how SUMIFS can revolutionize the way you analyze and summarize data in your spreadsheets. The SUMIFS function allows you to sum values in a range based on multiple conditions. It's essential for detailed data analysis. The basic syntax for SUMIFS includes the sum range, followed by at least one criteria range and its corresponding criteria. Let's walk through a basic implementation to understand how the function works in a real-world scenario. First, you need to set up the full data range that contains all the values and criteria columns you'll be working with. The sum range is the column containing the numbers you actually want to add up. This is the first argument in the formula. Next, identify your first criteria range, and then specify the value or condition for that criteria. The real power of SUMIFS comes when you introduce multiple criteria to narrow down your data aggregation. To refine your results further, simply add a second criteria range and its specific condition, following the same pattern. SUMIFS can handle diverse conditions simultaneously, such as filtering by dates, specific products, or geographical regions. Let's explore how to use logical operators and wildcards to create dynamic and flexible criteria. You can use operators like greater than, less than, and not equal to some values that fall within a certain numeric range or don't match a specific value. Wildcards like the asterisk, or question mark allow for partial matches when your criteria is text-based, making your searches much broader. Even experienced users encounter issues. Here are some common mistakes and how to troubleshoot them. A crucial rule is that all criteria ranges, and the sum range must be the exact same size, otherwise Excel will return an error. Remember to enclose text criteria within double quotes. Numerical criteria, unless combined with an operator, do not require quotes. We've covered the essentials of the SUMIFS function, from basic syntax to advanced criteria usage. Mastering SUMIFS allows for sophisticated data reporting and filtering within Excel, making your spreadsheets more powerful. Practice using SUMIFS with different data sets and criteria to truly master this essential Excel function. Happy spreadsheeting!